Given that he is not receiving favourable news from the Romanian court, Andrew Tate looks to be in severe trouble and his conditions appear to be worse by the day. The Tate brothers were arrested in December 2022 as the year came to a close on rape and human trafficking charges. Tate hasn't seen the light since, but now that he's hired high-profile lawyer Tina Glandian, he'll most likely see it. Let's learn more about the renowned attorney. Tina Glandian is a partner at Geragos and Geragos. Miss Glandian opened the firm's New York office, which she now heads. Licensed in California, New York, Nevada and Florida, Miss Glandian's multi-jurisdictional state and federal practice encompasses a wide range of areas from civil litigation to high-profile criminal defense to forays into international human rights matters. Miss Glandian's notable clients include pop singer Keisha and pop star Chris Brown. She has recently co-lead counsel in the successful effort to free former MMA heavyweight champion Cain Velasquez from custody. She has also represented former world heavyweight champion Mike Tyson and actor Jussie Smollett. Tate and Glandian appeared in court in Romania on February the 1st, causing a media frenzy. The former kickboxer's detention was extended last month until the end of February and another appeal was filed. Given that he had recruited Glandian, he was expected some good news. However, the appeal was denied for a second time. When discussing the extension, the highly recognized attorney stated that their protracted detention without charge for more than 30 days is a violation of their international human rights. Furthermore, she stated on Peace Smoker's Uncensored YouTube channel that simply because someone is controversial does not mean that they committed a serious crime, or any crime for that matter. Meanwhile, it will be fascinating to watch how she assists the Tate brothers in obtaining their release now that she is representing them. Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan, who were detained by Romanian police last month on suspicion of human trafficking and rape, will be held for another month after an appeal against the imprisonment was denied. In January, a court prolonged the arrest of the British-American influencer and his brother until February the 27th. A decision affirmed on Wednesday by the Bucharest Court of Appeal. The judge explained his decision as saying, "The capacity of the defendants to exercise permanent psychological control over the victims, including by resorting to constant acts of violence." Tina Glandian, a new US legal counsel by the Tate brothers, who has also represented high-profile personalities such as Mike Tyson and Chris Brown, has contended that their incarceration without trial for more than 30 days violated international human rights law. Speaking to reporters before the appeal was denied, she said that outside influences had influenced the case on the issue but declined to elaborate, adding, "So far the system has failed." The legal expert continued, "The lack of evidence was shown by the fact that there were still no charges despite the brothers being in custody for a month and police investigating since April. Tristan Tate, according to Glandian, has been unable to meet his new 3-week-old child." She also disputed that the brothers might exit Romania and proposed that alternative measures such as withdrawing passports or placing them under house arrest be employed. Tina Glandian's hiring is viewed as a significant milestone in the case, since it may provide a new strategy to the Tate's legal team as they attempt to gain the boys' release from preventative detention. The former kickboxing champion and his brother have also recruited a public relations consultant to handle media inquiries about the case. I'll be keeping you guys updated on the case when further significant updates is available. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.